guys, this is Maggie. Welcome to Marlintire Application Guidance Program. Today, I'd like to share something about 295 80R22.5 MT966. This tire is our premium quality product with our golden label. It is designed for steer and trailer position. It will be a good choice for you when you drive on well-paved roads and highways for long distance. Okay, now let me share something about what this MT966 can benefit you. Number 1. The special tread compound provides extra long mileage and good wet and side skid resistance. Number 2. The optimized profile design improves rolling resistance and provides excellent fuel economy. Number 3. The unique pattern groove bottom design endows the tire with good self-cleaning ability. Stones are not stuck in the grooves. Last but not least, it is critical to put this tire on the right application. For example, when you put this tire in the trailer position and run on the highways, the loading capacity needs to be within 130%. The single trail distance should be 500 to 800 kilometers, and the speed is no more than 90 kilometers per hour. Welcome to contact us for more application guidance. Our professional team will provide you customized application guidance on every Marlin tire that you buy. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please thumb up if you like it, and I'll be back again next weekend for another video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.